to my army. My man, Harris, I'm
All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to come back on top of the show. All right, now see the late night show. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I want to enter this next segment on top of the show. Now, the Koko of the day.
Make a tell them the Koko. Make a tell them the
Koko.
Make a tell them the Koko. Make a tell them the Koko.
Tell me the Koko. Oh, yeah, I need the Koko.
When you see my life, they just use the magic cloud.
Hey! Okay. All right. IzyBeatz. Wheel. All right, if you notice, this my bangle and your clothes won't resemble.
But with that cap, like your cap you wear that day.
Yeah,
it's supposed to wear that cap, come this show me the same.
No, now Friday cap with that, you know, say onto high ratings. You know.
Onto high ratings.
Bless. Back in the Koko.
Whoa.
All right, the Koko of the day now. Azados, you remember that guy? Azados. You is the one, Timorine Ferro. Can't you see the apple of my arm? And the up my Azados will come out now, come talk, say, man, to broke not be bad thing. Azados, say to broke not be bad thing. My brother, speak for yourself. What's wrong about you? Then they ask him, where you dey, sis? He say, man, they shoot me for my area. See that shooting, I can't lock up. I said, I no can't come out again. He said, talk to house arrest. Now they did, they have to be born, they fat, everything. Say, but now that's a market done for pressure. But on top be pressing thing, I can't come out in a priding way, in a priding form. He say, man, see, to broke is not bad.
It's not a bad idea.
It's not a bad idea. I mean, you can be broke for a living. What's wrong with you? You know, just come and say, I'm broke. But as I does, we not say it is not to arrange the way we take plan that year. But either way, to broke, big problem day inside. Because I do like this, I like good life. And there's no way you want to enjoy this life, make you not get the money.
At all.
When you are broke, it already for your hand already. You understand me now? So, but IzyBeatz. You go fit make that kind of statement.
I get one party like that. This very party, so in the talk, I'm saying the worst thing for in life, not being able to broke. Because broke, be like say, now there you day. You don't canja for that. He say the worst thing for in life now to stay with us, say, you know, hold money for pocket.
Me ban your day.
Not because you come inside, they go do as arrest.
Come look up, you there. You know, see, be brokenness now cause. That year, when nothing in my hand. You know, say, inside our mallet, sabi put us for some kind. That they go when they dance now.
No transport.
No transport, nothing. You know, say at the ETA BRT, they stand there, they sleep for BRT.
I'm telling you.
You get one day they sleep, I just all do my back. My legs gone weak. So I don't like this. You might attack me. You kill yourself. You can't reach house. You might say, what do you want chop? You go say anything, they can't bring out food come. They go let you chop and finish. You chop the whole food finish, the next they can't come. You know how that food they come out. Then they call they chop. You know where they come out. They roll up and now they dance here and they make I see you come out. But when you say call the apple,
I'll tell you.
It changed.
I'll tell you.
My brother broke that cost.
No, not cost.
Even your family go look, you say nothing.
Nothing.
You say a man when you provide for a family is worse than a he feed them. You know, like they for Bible now. Ecclesiastes 19 verse something. Share this already. All right, second gist.
I'm in love with the Koko.
Hey!
That's it.
I'm in love with the Koko.
Why that part they always sweet you?
It is sweet me, man. No, now the way the guy did it, you don't watch the video of that song?
Yes, but
it don't make half sense.
I'm telling you.
Half.
You know how many views that video don't get?
I seen. You go show you say this word that people like rubbish. Rubbish. They love it. Yeah? Nothing, no. Baking soda. I got baking soda. Uncle, we know what you are saying. Okay. This one a very, very annoying gist. One teenager for outside Obodo Igbo for ridings hemisphere.
Ridings hemisphere.
Whatever. Now this guy now, he say the guy now virgin. He don't try making this virgin himself, but he be like say he not still find way to take this virgin himself. Now the guy provoke one day, come carry gun. First, he write letter to police. Catch me if you can. That's after he don't buy person. He can't kill. 17-year-old teenager where they send police. Have you had to put the gist against her? Okay, they don't jail her now. Last, long and short of the whole story. We say, he don't buy person. Come send letter to police. Say, see me, catch me if you can. Catch me if you can. I don't buy person. Mona come catch me now before I buy 7 more.
That one out there.
Eh now. So, but they don't catch her now last shot. But say, you know the reason why? He said enough with this version. No? I said to this version again, I be walk. Make easy be tissue now. He get experience for this thing. He dey cancel. He dey cancel. Yeah, next. Boom. Pass here. Go and cry. Next. Pass here. Next. Grrr. Pass here. He dey cancel. You take advice from him. What's wrong about you? You understand? Just because say waiting that problem with that one. So you don't feel
all these white people children they think anyhow. There was one when I even see one day. This guy he don't commit one crime, so they can't write down for blog. I mean for one of their Facebook, they can't say they can't put a name and a picture. They can't say wanted. So the idiot comes to go comment on which they write. He say which they worry. They say they spell the name wrongly.
Very anyhow people like
that. They not be named. They spell not spell aware.
Just because some of them just say butter no day for the bread. I want to kill myself. You dey okay? Cause say suffer for this country. Cause people they sell for go slow. They don't see money collect. So they will see thief and joy, beat you joy. You go still they leave. You are not okay. But well, we'll leave that particular gist. Now, Kanye and Kim Kardashian. They say they touch.
I'm in love with the Koko.
Now, they say they touch like 500 times a day. Now, exaggeration, shall. It means they wipe fire just because they try born another second picking. Say, at least I have sex like 500 times a day. Say, the sex now be Kanye West rap music. Why carry for head like say waiting? Kanye say, you say she just dye her hair recently. And she don't look like one kind of Arabian thing these days.
Blondie.
You know, on a blondie pea. Golden blonde and every. Kanye West, this guy don't know that he influenced this girl wrongly or rightly. But any which way, because they come up for different attire these days.
The girl or the guy?
The girl. She only come up for different clothes these days. You know, say recently Kanye West just do one fashion this thing. When look at the cry throughout.
We see scary people.
She just see clothes. Say, hey, my papa cloth. She cried throughout because all the fashion clothes they all make brain. People like say that now it's thinking now don't they wear be that. So now she just but you say my problem with these people be say different kind of gist. Different unnecessary gist we no one use here.
Just to get people attention.
It no concern us. If not they groove 500 times a day, keep on to yourself. If not they hustle to bring up Pekin again, fine. God don't give that the first one, go still arrange another one come. Not be so.
Kanye West since they sing.
Kanye West. You say they sing the rap now.
You see they do.
They do the two.
Because I never hear any of his song of late.
Now fashion this thing now. Fashion, you don't marry fashion icon and everything. You know, say the guy, the wife influence the influencer. You know, because then they're popular for almost nothing. From the nothing, they can't do business from the nothing. So him now, he want to continue old thing, you know. Okay. But well, ladies and gentlemen, that's now the Koko of the day, and we'll leave the gist for them. Maybe we carry our first guest enter the building. All right. So after this particular break, we drop our first guest into this particular show. From there, and then we talk everything on top the AMVCA, pictures and criticize. They come back now.
Make a tell them the Koko. 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 When you see me on the line, just use the magic.